Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix geometry dash not opening on iPhone after iOS 17 or crashing on iPhone. Geometry dash not opening and crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix? First solution you have while geometry dash not opening or crashing. So then you have restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button. Press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your problem will be fixed. Second solution you have update the app. So then you have open the app store. So then you have check from here. So geometry dash or update available or not on your iPhone. So then you have click on search. So then you have a search option. So then you have check the geometry dash or update is not available on my iPhone. So then third solution you have update the iOS version. So you have open the setting and then click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you must be installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution you have free up space on iPhone storage. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have a free up space from here. So then you have not using any app or videos are not fitting for you. So then you have delete from here or apps or any photos or videos. So then delete the free app space on your iPhone available. Then last solution you have reinstall. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, again click on iPhone storage again. So then you have scroll up from here. So then you have click on geometry dash. So then you have offload and reinstall from here. Then you have click on offload. Then this will free up storage used the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will instead your data if the app is still available in the app store. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.